Welcome to the latest news update. Today, we'll be discussing the latest findings on the dogs living in the exclusion zone of Chernobyl, and what scientists can learn from their resilience in harsh environmental conditions. Chernobyl, the site of one of the worst nuclear disasters in history, is now home to a population of stray dogs that have adapted to living in an environment contaminated with radiation. Despite the harsh conditions, the dogs have thrived, leading scientists to believe that they can offer valuable insights into how humans can survive and thrive under extreme environmental conditions. The Chernobyl dogs have been living in the exclusion zone since the disaster in 1986, and have since formed a population of over 1,000. Scientists have been studying the dogs to understand how they have adapted to living in an environment that is toxic to humans. One of the key findings is that the dogs have developed a resistance to the harmful effects of radiation, which has allowed them to live and reproduce in the contaminated environment. This is in contrast to humans, who are much more susceptible to radiation and its harmful effects. Scientists are now studying the dogs to see if there are any genetic changes that have allowed them to develop this resistance. If they can identify these changes, it could have important implications for human health, particularly for people who work in environments with high levels of radiation exposure, such as nuclear power plants and space travel. In addition to radiation resistance, the dogs have also developed a resilience to other environmental stressors, such as extreme temperatures and lack of food and water. They have also formed social structures, with packs of dogs working together to survive and protect each other. Overall, the findings from the Chernobyl dogs offer valuable insights into how humans can adapt to living under extreme environmental conditions. As climate change and other environmental threats become more pressing, these insights could be crucial in developing strategies to protect human health and well-being. The research on the Chernobyl dogs is ongoing, and scientists are continuing to study the dogs to learn more about their resilience and adaptability. It is worth noting that the study of the Chernobyl dogs is not just about learning from their resilience, but also about the ethics of their care. Many of these dogs have suffered from radiation sickness, injuries, and other health problems, and there are concerns about their welfare in the exclusion zone. Several animal welfare organizations are working to provide medical care and food to the Chernobyl dogs, and to find homes for those that can be adopted. However, the logistics of providing care to these dogs in a radioactive environment are complex, and require specialized training and equipment. The study of the Chernobyl dogs also raises broader questions about the impact of human activities on the environment, and the resilience of nature in the face of environmental disasters. The dogs serve as a reminder of the consequences of the Chernobyl disaster, and the importance of taking measures to prevent such disasters from happening again. In conclusion, the study of the dogs in Chernobyl is a fascinating area of research that has the potential to offer valuable insights into human health and resilience. However, it is also a reminder of the impact of human activities on the environment, and the need to take measures to animal welfare. As scientists continue to study the Chernobyl dogs and their adaptations, we may learn even more about how we can thrive in harsh environmental conditions and how to prevent disasters like Chernobyl from occurring in the future. Stay tuned for more updates on this fascinating topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next news update.